How to forward calls on Verizon. To forward calls on Verizon, begin by dialing 72 followed by the 10-digit phone number you wish to forward your calls to. Press the call button and wait for a confirmation tone or message. Once confirmed, your calls will be redirected to the specified number. To disable call forwarding, dial 73 and press the call button. You should hear a confirmation tone or message indicating that call forwarding has been turned off. If you want to forward calls only when your line is busy or when you don't answer, dial 71 followed by the forwarding number. This conditional forwarding ensures that calls are only redirected under specific circumstances. Please note that call forwarding may not be available when you're outside the Verizon mobile network or traveling internationally. Additionally, forwarded calls may incur charges depending on your plan. That's it. Thanks for watching.